Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to work WordPress in Localhost. First, you will need to install a local server environment such as XAMPP or WAMP on your computer. Next, download the latest version of WordPress from its official website. Finally, create a new database for your WordPress installation using your local server's database management tool, like phpMyAdmin. Once your server is ready and WordPress is downloaded, extract the WordPress files into your local server's web directory, often named htdocs or www. Then, open your web browser and navigate to the local WordPress installation URL to start the setup process. You will be prompted to enter your database name, username, and password, along with your site's title and admin credentials. With WordPress installed, you can now log into your local dashboard. This is where you will manage all your content, create pages, and write posts. Feel free to install various themes and plugins to customize your site's appearance and functionality. Working locally allows you to experiment with new features and designs without any risk to a live website, offering a safe testing ground. When your local WordPress site is complete and ready, the next step is to migrate it to a live web hosting environment. This process typically involves exporting your database and files, then importing them to your live server. Remember to update all internal links and file paths to reflect your new domain. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy building your website.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.